20 years. So when we have the 4th grade field trips to the farm, Keith is always there doing the farm safety, the electrical safety stuff, and he's done that now for 20 years, and we wanted to recognize you as our conservation partner. So this is impacting about 500 students each year. And it's always one of the more popular stops. I hate to admit it, you know, but on a conservation day at the farm, seeing the electrical demo is always one of the high points of that, and we really appreciate it. Back, if you remember, back in 2013, we had a government shutdown that was going on. I think it was during when we had Ray Camp's farm tour planned, so we had all the logistics of the school buses and the kiddos and all this, but during the government shutdown, the equipment, we couldn't get our hands on because it was all, you know, locked down. So Keith went to work and secured the equipment that we needed to continue with that field day. So just little items like that is what we really appreciate. So we just want to thank you and your organization, or Central Missouri Electric Co-op
and Cuivre River Electric,
for your participation and partnership in education. We thank you very much, and so we want to present you with this plaque as a token of our appreciation.